Hello, artists. This week we've been learning about pop art and what it is. Pop art is an art movement that started in the United Kingdom and the United States in the mid to late 1950s. Artists challenge fine art by creating artworks of popular culture, advertising, and everyday objects. Pop art can also be described as colorful, energetic, and fun. What you should have done this week is first, in Wednesday, answer the discussion post on what object you chose and why. And yesterday, you should have submitted your first quick sketch of your everyday object. Now, today, there are no new assignments. However, this is what I would like for you to do. Is I want you to take your sketch and start making what are called thumbnail sketches, which are quick sketches, usually done very fast with no corrections and preparation for your final artwork. What I'd like for you to do on your own is just start designing on a piece of paper, scrap piece of paper. How do you want your final artwork to look? How do you want it to be composed? Where is going to be the emphasis? Emphasis is where the viewer's eye is drawn to. What color combinations are you going to use? So that's what you should be thinking about today. We're thinking about complementary colors because the artists that we learned about this week, like Andy Warhol, would use complementary colors in their artwork, like yellow and purple, blue and orange, red and green. Complementary colors are the colors that sit opposite of each other on the color wheel. So for example, if we look right here at this artwork by Andy Warhol, we have the flowers on the left and the Campbell soup on the right, and it's the same image repeated. However, he's using different colors, those complementary colors. Here's what your artwork might look like this week, for next week, the week of February the 8th. I want you to pretend that you are a graphic designer. Graphic designer is somebody who uses a computer or some kind of digital media to create advertising for companies. Okay, so what I'd like for you to do is just pretend you're a graphic designer and you've been hired to sell this product. The product that I chose for mine was boba tea. And think about the artists that we saw this week, like Andy Warhol. We also looked at Roy Lichtenstein and Eduardo Pelosi, among other artists. Okay, so again, artists, what you need to do for today is turn in your assignments and then start thinking about, how do I want my final artwork to look? You will get your full instructions for the project on Monday, February the 8th. So please do not submit your final project into the sketch that we see in the Thursday folder. So I'm going to go into there. Thursday folder is only a sketch. That means something quick, something fast, something you did. Here's the example. My example right here, I have my drawn sketch, or I have my sketch I created in Google Draw. So again, artists, you need to just turn in your regular assignments and then start thinking about, how do I want to create my final artwork? Thanks, and see you soon.